that chick? They do her.
Holy shit, you're right.
Yeah.
The helicopter chick? The helicopter chick, man?
Like, hey, this might cost $600, but that's okay.
But the blonde one in the morning is much better than that. For a man convicted of
Sorry, I'm a store stabbing.
Monkey fucking. Monkey fucking.
Only you can cause forest fires.
Sweet.
Smokey the bear. Bear and Smokey.
Bear of Smokey.
Yeah, fuck, we're going dude, just
let's give it all to the.
Stop hogging the fucking.
Yeah.
That's all mine. That's a good bear of Smokey. God damn it, bitch.
I've been swearing off the bear. I've been off the bear for like 3 months now, so
But you're not off the beer.
Fuck no.
Does that mean you're beer-bottomed? Or bare-bottomed? Or not? Because you're not bear, so you're bare-bottomed then.
Getting about 30 pills for his
Beer-bottomed, benear-boat, boop-boop-a-doo. I'm bare-bottomed.
Dead Percocet, like dead Percocet.
No. Nicotine, Valium, Vicodin, marijuana, ecstasy, and alcohol.
And unprotected sex. Always Coca-Cola. Oh yeah. Got milk?
That was kind of cool. Now I gotta take a breather, because I'm all winded out now.
He's winded like the instrument he used to blow.
That was one of the million instruments I used to blow. I was kind of an instrumental slut back in the day. I broke from one instrument.
I wish I had stuck the skate player towards my butt.
Hey, maybe
He said one time at band camp.
one time
Dude,
at band camp he farted in the recorder.
Dude, this one time at band camp, I staring at somebody's car shut.
Dude, farting in recorders is cool.
Catch it over, roll it under. Catch it over, roll it under.
I wonder if it got that far. Oh, I'm wondering. I hope it did.